Choe la Zang-po means Dharma is good. It's a circle dance belonging to Amdo Kordro. Male and female steps are the same. Now we will see the movement. The dance starts with a basic Tibetan step that is like this. In 4 counts, so we do right, left, right, and right up. Right, left, right, right up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pay attention in the arms. With 1, left is in front, and then right we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We repeat this at the beginning and then twice in the middle of the dance. When there is music, you will see in the full dance where it's very simple to understand. Then we have some sequence of 6 counts each. One is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we start with the right foot. When we go to our left side, we do 4 steps alternating right and left. So right, left, right, left. And then we bring our right up and the right also hand at the heart, and you can see knees and elbow are a little bit outside, and left arm up. Arms swing to the left while we do the first step and to the right. So opposite. Now we go like that with the 5th count and 6 we go down. Now we repeat the same sequence on the other side, starting with left. So we go left, right, left, right, left up like before, right arms up, and then 6 foot down. Next part is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we alternate right, left, and then right, right step, and then right up as before, the same movement. And 6 we go down. Next part, we are like this, so we have again 6 count. You can see now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we do this movement, look at the arms. They move like a wheel. 1, 2. Now we tap left and tap right. When we do this movement, we bend. We bend, arms up, and then next. middle of the song, twice, there is only music, refrain. So we do this full part and then we add for 4 times the basic Tibetan step. The dance is very simple. We continue alternating all this sequence until the end. Very last part of the dance, same, but will be like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.